Thirikari yugite ni kwambĩrĩria mũngũrũrio thĩinĩ wa icigo cia iria rĩa Indian Ocean gũkĩrĩkana kũrĩ na wongerereku wa ciĩko cia ũtegi wa thamaki wa magendo.
We have engaged our colleagues in defense and interior so that we can be able to strengthen our surveillance and our presence in the EEZ so that we can be able to contain that particular challenge.
Akiringithania utaramu na uhoti wa tutaru twa ategi a thamaki kuuma Kenya aria marokaga iria-ini rĩrĩ gũcaria mugate wa o muthenya. Minister wa wenji wa mahiga ma goro na wonjoria wa maai-ini Salim Mvurya niorotete ikundi cia ategi kuuma mabururi ma nanja akiuga nio maratega thamaki icigo-ini ici.
Kenya, on our side, we don't have many industrial fishers who have delved into deep sea fishing. Then we find people use that opportunity to do a lot of illegal and unreported fisheries activities.
Mvurya araragia o mwena wa Naivasha hindi ya kuhingura kigomano kia IGAD kiria kiharĩrĩirio niguo kwarĩra mitaratara ya kugacĩrithia biacara cia maai-ini.
And our work as IGAD is to bring this closer to our member states. We've developed a 5-year strategic plan at the regional level, and we've requested or supported our member states to adopt and cascade this to the national level.
Nobody knew about blue economy, and we really wish to appreciate His Excellency the President for creating a dedicated ministry for blue economy. There is a huge potential, job creation, livelihoods.
Thirikari yugite ni gukorwo ikihura njeki ikundi magana mana cia ategi a thamaki iria iguteithĩrĩrio gũtuĩka thuthaiti na muoroto wa kuhotithia ategi aya kĩmbeca nĩguo mahote kwĩgũrĩra indo ngũrani iria marabatara ũtegi-inĩ wao.
Modern boats and modern fishing gear, and it is through that cooperative model that they can be able to work with banks. It is through that cooperative model that they can also determine the price so that then they can guard against exploitation.
Ona kuhanũra ũguo unyihu wa kũndũ gwa kũiga thamaki ici na wagi wa thoko ni ũmwe wa mathĩna maria ategi aya makoretwo magĩtũngana namo.
Partnering, there is a big project of KEMSED where some of the facilities that we require to assist the fishermen are going to be developed, mainly cold storage, fish markets and fish processing plants.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.